If you want to show customers that a product is on sale, one of the best ways to do it in Shopify is by using the Compare at Price feature. This allows you to display the original price alongside the discounted price, making it clear that customers are getting a deal. Many Shopify themes will also automatically display a sale badge when a Compare at Price is set. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Compare at Price and display sale pricing in Shopify step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. To get started, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, click on Products in the menu on the left-hand side. You'll now see a list of all the products in your store. Click on the product that you want to put on sale. After opening the product page, scroll down until you find the Pricing section. Here, you'll see two important fields, Price and Compare at Price. The Price field represents the amount customers will actually pay, while the Compare at Price field represents the original price before the discount. Let's say your product normally costs $100, but you want to sell it for $80 during a promotion. In this case, enter 80 in the price field and 100 in the Compare at Price field. The important rule to remember is that the Compare at Price must always be higher than the actual selling price. If both values are the same, or if the Compare at Price is lower, Shopify will not display the sale correctly. Once you've entered both prices, click Save at the top of the page. Now, visit your online store and open the product page. In most Shopify themes, you'll see the original price crossed out and the discounted price displayed next to it. Many themes will also automatically show a sale badge on the product page and collection pages. If you don't see a sale badge, don't panic. Some themes require additional settings to enable badges. Go to Online Store and click Customize next to your active theme. Depending on your theme, look for settings related to product cards, badges, labels, or sale indicators. Enable any available sale badge options and save your changes. If your products have variants, you'll need to check the variant pricing as well. Open the product, scroll to the Variants section, and review the price settings for each variant. Each variant can have its own price and Compare at Price values. If only certain variants are on sale, update those individually. Shopify also allows you to edit sale pricing for multiple products at once. Simply go to the Products page, select several products, click Bulk Edit, and add the Price and Compare at Price columns. This can save a significant amount of time when running store-wide promotions. Before launching a sale, always preview your storefront on both desktop and mobile devices. Make sure the original price, discounted price, and sale badge display properly. You should also place a test order to confirm that customers are charged the correct discounted amount during checkout. Keep in mind that sale pricing can influence customer buying decisions, so use clear and honest pricing practices. Displaying realistic discounts can improve trust and encourage more purchases. To quickly summarize, open the product, enter the discounted amount in the price field, enter the original amount in the Compare at Price field, save the product, verify that the sale appears on your storefront, and enable sale badges in your theme settings if necessary. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create a Compare at Price and display sale badges in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.